A good season. The pinnacle was the Welsh Cup final, which was a fantastic day. But all in all, a good season. A little bit anti-climax at the end of the season. After basically the 26th of April at 4 o'clock, we're told that we're in Europe, so that took a little bit of energy out of us going into the last game of the season. But the following week was totally different. The training was very intense and good going into the final. So yeah, we're really pleased. And it's always about trying to get into Europe for a club of our stature now. So we achieved that and we were delighted.
Mike Wiles, Connah's key, striker. 178 Welsh Premier League goals, 8 European, 7 Welsh Prem titles, 4 Welsh Cup titles. Last season's got to be seen as another positive step forward for the football club in winning the Welsh Cup. From a club's point of view, we've got to go one better, and if it means reducing the points that TNS win the league by, or if we can actually challenge and put ourselves in that pole position for longer periods of time throughout the season, put a bit of pressure on them, that'll be probably our remit.
If not, looking at the squad, probably even stronger this year than they was last year. So they are a stubborn team as well, and I think that's how the gaffer likes it. But I'm really looking forward to being part of it. For the team, we want to win the league. Okay, and that's what we want to do. That's where we want to be, and really challenge TNS for the top spot. Me personally, I'd like to just go in as many goals as I possibly can, hopefully getting double figures and play as much as I can, and that's my personal aim for the year.
Our target is Llanelli away, first game of the season. That's the target, that's the big one, and I don't think there's a real shift to power yet. I think, I still think ourselves and Bala are the two of the strongest teams away from TNS. But you've now got Llandudno who are able to pay very good money and compete, and they'll be able to offer better contracts to Kai Edwards and Mike Pearson than what we offered them. So it makes it even more competitive, and there's other teams as well that have done a lot of business in the summer. So we're delighted with what we've done. We've brought in some very good players in Danny Holmes and Lawrence Wilson from Bangor, and I'm really excited to be working with them.